I have spent 17 years in the HVAC industry after serving as a nuclear power electrician. And if there is one thing I've learned, it is that technical data tells the real story, not the glossy brochures. Today, we are looking at a ducted split heat pump matchup between two heavy hitters in the value space, the Broan FSH1BE and the Oxbox J5HP5. Both of these models sit in the basic category, which is where most homeowners end up looking when they want reliable heating and cooling without the high-end price tag. Starting with the build, the Broan FSH1BE comes equipped with a louvered steel panel. In the field, we call that a tank because it protects that sensitive outdoor coil from hail, stray rocks, and the neighborhood kids' basketballs. The Oxbox J5HP5 uses slotted panels, which are a step up from a basic wire grill, but do not provide full coverage structural rigidity. If you live somewhere with high winds or debris, that Broan cabinet is going to keep your system looking and performing better for a lot longer. When we talk efficiency and comfort, the Broan takes a lead with an HSPF 2 rating of 8.5 compared to the Oxbox at 7.8. That is a noticeable difference in your winter power bill. Both units use a standard single-stage compressor technology and fixed-speed condenser fans, meaning they are either all the way on or all the way off. It is reliable, time-tested tech, but Broan is simply squeezing more heat out of every kilowatt. On the brand factor, Broan is under Nortec Global HVAC, part of Rheem Manufacturing, while Oxbox is a value brand launched by Trane Technologies. Oxbox was designed to compete in the budget market by using shared engineering history while stripping away the flagship name. For equipment alone in 2026, you are looking at roughly $1,400 for the Broan condenser and $1,300 for the Oxbox, once you factor in a full professional installation. Expect to pay between $7,500 and $9,500 for either system depending on local labor rates. Before warranty details, remember to keep your system clean because dirty coils drop efficiency and make compressors work harder. Wash those coils with a garden hose once a season and change your indoor filters every month. On the warranty front, Broan offers a 10-year parts warranty, 10 years on the compressor, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That unit replacement means if the compressor fails in the first decade, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. Oxbox provides a standard 10-year parts warranty and 10 years on the compressor, but offers 0 years for unit replacement. The verdict is clear. The Broan FSH1B is the winner because of higher efficiency, better cabinet protection, and the 10-year unit replacement warranty. Oxbox is a decent budget choice with slotted panels, but it falls behind on efficiency and lacks replacement protection. Most importantly, that 10-year unit replacement warranty from Broan completely overshadows the Oxbox offering and gives a homeowner true peace of mind. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.